Alright, hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a business card in Adobe InDesign. So first you're going to go over and start up your Adobe InDesign. I already have it pulled up, and once you're in, you're going to want to go over to create new document. So you're going to want to have it custom, and you're going to want to change this to inches. You're going to want to have a height of 2 inches and a width of 3.5. That's the guidelines for having a business card. So hit create. And then once you're in, just to double check, if you look over here in properties under the documents, it will already be selected as a US business card. And then after that, you're ready to go. So just to start off, your background is already in the back. If you've done previous stuff, you just want to double check that you have it in the back, and also that the guidelines are on too. Adobe InDesign, it's pretty simple to use, and you have free roam of basically creating whatever you would like. Just for like the basic stuff, say you wanted to create a text just for the header of your business card. So we're going to click and drag after selecting the text tool. And let's say we're going to make it right there. And just something random. How about like Sally's? Alright, so you have your title, and you can add multiple text boxes too. Let's just say one down here to put phone number. Let's just say 123. Nope. Yeah, well, you get the idea. I'm creating a phone number. And then let's just say you wanted to have your email over here. What was clicked? Alright. And then if you wanted to spruce it up a little bit, add different shapes and whatnot, it's possible you can also change the background color, but you also want to be careful when changing the background color and creating your shapes, as you don't want to create a business card that is not easily to be read to others. You just want to be able to pick it up, and people want to know what you're about, what you're selling, and all that. So say we just wanted to add some simple tools. We have the ellipse frame tool, and we also have the polygon tool. But in the polygon tool, you have the ellipse tool again and the rectangle tool. So let's just say we want to do the rectangle. Um, and this is just the basic. You can create different shapes, but this is just whatever I uploaded on my computer. Um, so we drew our shape. It's the same thing as the text box. You click and drag, and you can go over here to the appearance and the fill. And there's multiple different fill colors for you to choose from. You can click blue. Say we didn't want that dark of a blue, we can go over here and lighten it. Let's just do something random right there. You can click out of that, and then you have different other tools. Like we'll use the polygon tool. Say we'll put it up here and change the fill again, just something random like a maybe pink, and change it to so it's not bright. So yeah, that's just how like the basics of creating the shapes are. Um, obviously there's different ones that you can go on the Adobe website and download. Um, so there's endless possibilities of what you can do with it. So once, let's just say you've already put in your time and effort and create a business card of what you would want. Obviously, it would be a little bit more than just what this would be, but this is just a rough design to show you the basics. So you want to use your selection tool. You're going to want to select the entire business card. It highlights all the text boxes, the shapes, and everything. You're going to go to type and create outlines. That basically brings it all together, and that allows you to save it as a vector graphic. So if you ever wanted to take it over into a different Adobe platform or a different editor, it makes it so your font and everything won't get messed up. This is very important if you're looking to use different platforms for it. But once you're done and you created a vector graphic, you're basically ready to file. You can save as, save, whatever you'd like to do. But when it comes to printing the business cards, it's trial and error. You're gonna want to do it a couple times because sometimes when printing, if you have different fonts, the printing style can mess it up. Sometimes it'll be bigger, smaller, and then also the shapes could be distorted as well. But yeah, that's basically the basics to Adobe InDesign of creating a business card. Um, so yeah, I hope you guys use it, and hopefully it works out for you. Thank you.